So I picked up this t-shirt because it has smile on the front, and at the back it has see miracles in life every day. I'm all about good vibes, baby. For this step, you're going to lay a dress on top of your t-shirt. It's going to act as your guideline when you're cutting. Cut 1 inch or 1.5 inch away. It just depends on the way you want your fitting to be like.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I want.
For this step, we're going to put the right sides together, pin it around, and then sew on the wrong side.
Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong.
So after sewing the dress together, you're going to go ahead and hem the top, hem like 2 centimeters so that you can be able to fit in your elastic. It will just help the top part to snatch, like to fit you perfectly. After sewing it, go ahead and insert your elastic. After that, secure your elastic by stitching it together. So go ahead and stitch the remaining open part, and that is it, all that you have to do, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified every time I post a video. I do post 2 videos in a week, on Monday for the random videos, Wednesday for the DIY. So till next Monday, bye.